Hello there. I'd like to start this course off by letting you know what you can expect to learn by spending your time here. Now, this course is entitled Wireless Networking Fundamentals. My name is Mark Long, and I'll be your instructor for this course. Let me start off by telling you a little bit about myself and how I got here and why you're listening to my voice. I'm a consultant, a trainer, a developer that's based out of Nashville, Tennessee, and I've been in information technology over 25 years now. And I was fortunate enough to be involved in information technology way back when the IBM PC first appeared. I've held various jobs at large corporations. I worked for one corporation that covered a 7-state area of the southeastern United States. I've done a lot of work for small to mid-sized companies, ranging from just a few employees up to 400 or 500. And I've been involved in such things as data security, user support, database administration and development. I've been a Microsoft trainer. I've been a programmer and developer, network administrator, network designer. I've been involved in implementation, and I've been able to get my hands in a lot of different aspects of this. And then I've been fascinated to watch it spread out into other places that I never knew I would go. For example, country music and doing some stage lighting work and programming and operating computer-controlled stage lighting. And it's just been a fantastic journey. And I'm really thankful to have been in this industry, and I'm especially honored to be here, bringing my experience and the few things that I've picked up along the way to share them with you and hopefully help you strengthen your career and your understanding here specifically when it comes to wireless networking. Wireless networking is now a foundational part of modern local area networking. It has some very common characteristics that you're going to notice when you get out there, and you've probably already picked up on these. It's incredibly convenient. It's very widely used. It's simple to install. However, it's also very widely misunderstood, and it's rarely properly implemented. Now, the objective in this course is to help you get the most out of wireless networking by helping you gain the understanding that you need to know how the pieces and parts work. You need to understand, for example, basic radio frequency or RF signaling, how it behaves, and more importantly, how it misbehaves and what will cause it to misbehave. You need to understand a little bit about antennas, the way they propagate the signal, the pattern that comes off of various antennas, those sorts of things, and then just some general characteristics of all of the technologies that are involved. Once you understand those technologies, it really helps to get a picture of how these technologies interact and how adjusting one aspect of an access point can affect other aspects of your wireless network all over the building. Now, we're going to start at the foundational aspects of radio frequency signaling, and then we're going to build on that foundation step by step as we move through the course to help you understand the basics of wireless network design, implementation, and troubleshooting. Once you know what's going on there and you understand how it's behaving, because in a lot of ways it behaves very differently from the world you and I are used to, especially for those of you who are coming from the wired environment. And that's where most of us come from when we move into wireless. You're going to see some surprises here. This is fascinating stuff. I'm really glad you're here. Let's jump in and get started.